Good morning, boys and girls. I couldn't resist coming outside and doing our video for today in the beautiful, glorious sunshine. So it's a bit of a change from the classroom, but you can learn anywhere, can't you? Let's go over all the phonic sounds that we have learned so far in grade R and revised in grade 1. Kicking King says k, k, k. Bouncy Ben says b, b, b. Harry Hatman says h, h, h. And Lucy Lamplight says oh. These 4 letters are tall letters because when we write them, they start at the top of the line and you draw a long stick down to the bottom. All right, let's see if you recognize them without their characters. What sound does this letter make? Can you give Mrs. Aston a word that starts with the sound? What sound is this? Can you give Mrs. Aston a word that starts with this sound? And what about this one over here? What sound does this letter make? Can you give me a word that starts with this sound? And lastly, what sound does this letter make? Yes, it says oh. Now, boys and girls, I want you to watch this slideshow. There's going to be 4 pictures on each slide. You need to look for all the oh pictures in each slide. If you think you've got the answer, watch carefully as the wrong answers disappear and the right answer stays behind. Then you're going to do the same for the pictures. I want you to look very carefully and find the picture. And all the other 3 pictures that don't start with will disappear, leaving the right answer behind. I'm sure you'll get the hang of it soon, and if you don't, you can always rewind the video and do it again. So let's have a look. Look for oh. Look for look for b. Look for K. Let's look at the work we have to do today. This is a revision worksheet, which means we're just remembering all the things we have learned already. We're going to start by taking our pencil and writing our name on the line at the top of the page. Everyone needs to write their own name. Mrs. Aston will write her name, but you're going to write your name at the top of the page, nice and neatly, using pinchy fingers when you hold your pencil. The next thing you're going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to look at the picture. You're going to decide what sound the picture starts with, and then look for the letter that makes that sound. So, the first one is a bear. Bear starts with B. What does the B letter look like? Does it look like that? No. Does it look like that? No. Does it look like that? Yes. So that's the one you're going to colour in with your roll-ups. Nice and neatly. Let's have a look at all the pictures that we have here. We've got a light bulb, a kettle, a ladybird, a bus, and a hamburger. Let's go over that again. A light, a kettle, a ladybird, a bus, and a hamburger. Decide which sound each picture starts with and look for the letter that makes that sound. And once you've done that, you're going to go back and you're going to colour in all your pictures with your roll-ups as well. So your worksheet looks bright and colourful. I'm not going to colour in the whole bear. I'm just going to show you how you need to colour it in very, very neatly. I'm colouring the bear's snout a little bit softer so we get light and dark. All right, boys and girls, and that is your first worksheet. The second worksheet you have in your book today looks just like this. On the page, we've got Bouncy Ben's house, we've got Harry Hatman's house, Kicking King's house, and Lucy Lamplight's house. And what you need to do is you need to find which picture needs to live in Bouncy Ben's house based on what the first sound is that the picture makes. So, let's have a look at all the pictures they've given us. Key, lion, hat, lamp, bat, kangaroo, helicopter, and bag. Now, if you have your own scissors at home, I don't mind. Ask Mommy if she will cut this little strip off for you. And then you can cut each picture into the square shape. If you don't have scissors and glue at home, that's okay. What we'd like you to do is then draw the picture that you find here with your pencil in the box. It's up to you though. So let's look at the first one. It's a key. Whose house do you think the key belongs to? Is it Bouncy Ben? I don't think so. Key. Harry Hepburn's house? No, I don't think so. Kicking King's house? Yes, Kicking King's house. And you're going to paste or draw the key in the block. And then you're going to do the same thing for each and every picture on the side here. That's all the work we have for you today, boys and girls. We'll see you on our videos tomorrow. Bye-bye.